Hello everyone, today's topic is Oracle SQL training. Welcome to GoLogica. Now we discuss the Oracle SQL training. Roadmap. About course. Eligibility criteria. Roles, responsibilities and salaries. Training program. Now we are discussing about the Oracle SQL course. The Oracle SQL course is designed to provide learners with the knowledge and skills required to manage and manipulate data in Oracle databases efficiently. This course covers the fundamentals of structured query language, SQL, and advanced concepts essential for database development, management, and optimization. It is ideal for database administrators, developers, analysts, and IT professionals looking to enhance their expertise in Oracle SQL. The course includes key modules such as Introduction to Oracle SQL, covering database architecture and SQL basics, and data retrieval with select statements, which teaches querying techniques, filtering, and sorting data. Data manipulation, DML, explores inserting, updating, and deleting records, while data definition language focuses on creating and modifying database objects like tables and indexes. Joins and subqueries help retrieve complex datasets, and functions and aggregates introduce SQL functions, grouping, and summarizing data. Constraints and transactions ensure data integrity and consistency, while performance tuning and optimization enhance query efficiency. Advanced topics like PL/SQL programming introduce procedural extensions, stored procedures, and triggers. Here are the eligibility criteria for the Oracle SQL course Basic Computer Knowledge. Candidates should have a fundamental understanding of operating systems and file management. Familiarity with databases. Prior exposure to databases, even at a basic level, is beneficial but not mandatory. Educational background. A degree in computer science, IT, engineering, or a related field is preferred but not required. Programming knowledge. Optional. Basic knowledge of programming concepts can be helpful, but is not a prerequisite. Interest in data management. Individuals interested in data analysis, database administration, or development are ideal candidates. Working professionals. IT professionals, software developers, and database administrators looking to upgrade their skills are eligible. Students and fresh graduates, those pursuing or having completed their studies in IT-related fields, can enroll. Analytical thinking. Good problem-solving and logical thinking skills will help in understanding SQL queries and database operations. Access to a computer. Learners should have a system with internet connectivity to practice Oracle SQL queries and complete exercises. No prior SQL experience required. Beginners with no previous SQL knowledge can also join, as the course starts with fundamentals. Next, we discuss the roles and salaries in Oracle SQL course SQL Developer, responsible for writing, optimizing, and managing SQL queries. The average salary ranges from $70,000 to $110,000 per year. Database Administrator, DBA, manages and maintains Oracle databases, ensuring security and performance. The salary typically falls between $80,000 to $130,000 per year. Data Analyst uses SQL to extract, analyze, and interpret data for business insights. The average salary is $60,000 to $100,000 per year. Oracle Developer specializes in building applications using Oracle technologies, with salaries ranging from $75,000 to $120,000 per year. Business Intelligence, BI, developer, works with SQL to develop reports, dashboards, and data visualizations, earning $70,000 to $115,000 per year. ETL developer focuses on data extraction, transformation, and loading processes. The salary range is $80,000 to $125,000 per year. Software engineer uses SQL for database-driven applications with salaries between $85,000 to $130,000 per year. Data engineer designs and optimizes data pipelines using SQL, earning $90,000 to $140,000 per year. Cloud database engineer manages Oracle databases on cloud platforms like AWS and Azure with salaries of around $95,000 to $150,000 per year. SQL consultant provides expert SQL solutions for businesses, typically earning between $90,000 to $140,000 per year, depending on experience. The last topic is training program. GoLogica offers complete Oracle SQL training designed to provide you with the essential skills needed for database management, querying, and administration. This course covers all critical aspects of Oracle SQL, including database architecture, data retrieval, manipulation, and advanced querying techniques. You will gain expertise in using SQL statements such as select, insert, update, delete, and join, along with subqueries, functions, and aggregates. The training also includes learning how to work with tables, views, indexes, and constraints, as well as database security and performance optimization. Through hands-on exercises, you will gain a thorough understanding of how to interact with Oracle databases, write efficient queries, and troubleshoot common issues. As part of the course, you will also learn techniques for optimizing SQL queries, ensuring data integrity, and managing transactions to ensure high availability and scalability. The GoLogica course prepares you for roles such as Oracle SQL Developer, Database Administrator, DBA, Data Analyst, Backend Engineer, and Business Intelligence Developer, equipping you with the expertise to excel in these positions. Upon completion, you will receive a certification that validates your Oracle SQL skills, significantly enhancing your career prospects. Additionally, GoLogica provides resume building support to highlight your newly acquired skills and interview preparation with 24/7 support. The course is designed for flexible, self-paced learning with expert guidance available throughout. With GoLogica Oracle SQL training, you will be fully prepared to tackle real-world database challenges and advance your career in database management and development.